Close your eyes for a second and imagine the perfect device. It's not your phone, that's too small for real work. It's not your laptop, that's too heavy for the couch. It's that sweet spot. That Goldilocks zone. For years, the iPad mini has been that cult classic, the if you know device. But in 2026, Apple is about to turn this niche favorite into a mainstream powerhouse that might just make you question why you own a pro-level tablet at all. Today, we aren't just looking at another incremental update. We are looking at a total philosophical shift from Apple. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. We've spent months digging through supply chain leaks from Shenzhen to Seoul, analyzing patent filings that seem like science fiction, and talking to insiders who say this is the biggest leap in the Mini's history since its birth. If you've been waiting to upgrade, or if you've ever felt like the iPad Pro was just too much for your daily life, you need to hear this. Because the iPad Mini 8 isn't just a smaller iPad anymore. It's a glimpse into the future of how we will interact with technology. Let's start with the thing that's going to make your jaw drop the moment you turn it on. The display. For over a decade, the iPad Mini has lived in the shadow of LCD technology. We've dealt with the jelly scrolling, the slightly washed-out blacks, and the lack of that pop we get on our iPhones. But the 2026 iPad Mini 8 is finally, officially, breaking up with LCD. The leaks are unanimous. OLED is coming to the Mini. But it's not just any OLED. While the iPad Pro uses a tandem OLED system for extreme brightness, the Mini 8 is rumored to use a specialized single-stack LTPS OLED. Why does this matter? Because it solves the one thing that has plagued the Mini 6 and 7, the dreaded jelly scroll. By moving to OLED, the refresh cycles happen pixel by pixel, instantaneously. No more lag, no more visual tearing. Just fluid, ink black, vibrant perfection. Imagine reading a comic book or watching a high-contrast movie like The Batman on a screen that fits in the palm of your hand, where the blacks are actually black, not dark gray. This display alone is going to make every previous Mini feel like a toy. But Apple didn't stop at the panel. There is a persistent rumor that the bezels are shrinking even further. We are looking at a potential screen size bump from 8.3 inches to nearly 8.7 inches without increasing the physical footprint of the device. It's going to feel like you're holding just a piece of glass. A window into your digital world. Now, let's talk about the brain. In 2026, the world has changed. We don't just use apps anymore, we collaborate with AI. And to do that, you need serious horsepower. Apple is reportedly skipping the standard A18 and going straight for a binned version of the A19 Pro, or potentially even an A20 if the late 2026 launch window holds true. This isn't just about speed, it's about the neural engine. Apple Intelligence in 2026 is a different beast. We're talking about on-device LLMs, large language models, that can summarize your entire day's worth of emails, generate images in seconds, and act as a truly proactive assistant. The iPad Mini 8 is being positioned as the AI notebook. Imagine being in a meeting, taking notes with your Apple Pencil, and having the Mini 8 not only transcribe your handwriting but also automatically create action items, sync them to your calendar, and suggest follow-up emails, all while sitting in your jacket pocket. That is the